All right guys, Chris here from RackUp+Go, and today we're going to be talking all about Vitrifrigo refrigerators. In this video, we're going to be talking all about the Vitrifrigo C115 and the C85. Let's get into it. All right guys, so I'm going to start by talking about the C115 here in stainless. We've got a center mounted handle, full 316 marine grade stainless on the door, and then also our stainless steel mounting flange. Now the stainless steel mounting flange, this can be mounted either flush like you see here. So the front of the door is flush with the flange, or you can loosen up the screws along the outside edge and this mounting flange will actually slide back, giving you about 1.5 inches of protrusion of the door, known as surface mount. So if you're going to mount this with a counter over the top of it and you want the door flush with the counter, you can do that. Or say you're mounting into a set of cabinets and you want everything flush with the face, that's where this current mounting flange is positioned. So we'll open this up. You'll notice we've got 3 door shelves, a couple bottle fingers down here that you can slide back and forth. We've got our freezer compartment in the top, and it does have a nice magnetic feature, so this will hold itself up. They do come with an ice cube tray. And then we've got 2 shelves plus this bottom shelf here, and then our 2 crisper bins. Now the crisper bin behind this far one here, this is where the manual thermostat is going to be. So you can adjust everything from down there. And then we do have a nice bright LED light giving you visibility to everything inside. This is part of the Chrome Lock series, as it's called. So this handle has a little bit of a feature here to pop this chrome piece out in order to vent it. So for storing, now our door is propped open a little bit, prevents any kind of mold or nasty funky smells building up in there when we're not powering the refrigerator on and using it. In order to slip that back in, these 2 little tabs push in and that slides back in. This is a 12 or 24 volt DC refrigerator, and that's going to be the same case with the C85 over there. So let's move over to the C85. All right, so over here we've got our C85, and this one's part of the Airlock series. So this handle is going to be actually mounted on the left side for a right-hand door swing, or if you want, you can actually reverse this, move this handle to this side, and change this to a left-hand hinge. So we'll open this up. Pretty much the exact same features of the C115. We've got 3 door shelves, 2 interior shelves, plus our crisper bin here at the bottom. And then our manual thermostat is also in the same location down at the bottom right. And then our freezer compartment, which also has that magnetic feature to hold it up. And again, the internal ice tray. Now this one does have a light gray exterior finish. If you wanted to change that out, this door panel actually is fully customizable. If you wanted to vinyl wrap it, you could put a vinyl wrap over this, change it to wood grain, carbon fiber, kind of whatever you're looking for. And then we also have the mounting flange on this as standard as well. So this mounting flange is also going to allow you to do the flush mount just like on the C115, or the surface mount where you can adjust this mounting flange back 1.5 inches. This does have a vent position as well, so we'll open this up. There's a small little black tab here. It clicks over, and now our door is actually propped open about 1/4 inch in order to allow airflow, keep those nasty smells and fungus and stuff and mold from growing on the inside. This unit's also going to be a 12 or 24 volt unit, DC, so again, the cooling unit on both of these is fully integrated into the bottom. It is not remotable on either of these units, so everything's just kind of built into the back. So you need to make sure when you're installing this that you're providing enough room for ventilation and clearance. All right guys, that wraps up the majority of the benefits of these C-series refrigerators. We've got the 115 in stainless here, the C85 in light gray here. If you have any additional questions, drop a question in the comments, or you can email us directly at customercare@rackupgo.com. And remember, life's an adventure. Rack up and go.